Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to block Facebook on TikTok. Open TikTok application on your device, and here in the top right corner of your screen you should see this search icon, and here find Facebook. Open official profile of Facebook, and here in the top right corner of your screen you should see this share icon that looks like this, and here the function block, and confirm your decision by tapping block, and now you see that I have blocked Facebook. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.